Okay, everyone, this is Millie Mill and Monet from Sweet Sugar Plum Home, also known as M&M's. Someone ordered us a pizza today from doing those sweet cooking dinner over the holiday. Everyone enjoy the Thanksgiving dinner and the Christmas dinner and the New Year dinner, and they order us a pizza for us to take a break. And I'm usually not a carb person, but I guess I can afford to eat some of this carb. But I just want to say thank you to that person for ordering this pizza in today. And it's Domino, and it's really good. It's a vegetarian pizza. Half of it is vegetarian. It has mushrooms, spinach. Half of it has the beef and the pepperoni together. So we're going to try to enjoy this pizza right now, and we want to continue wishing you all a happy new year. Signing out from Monet and
Hello, everyone. Happy New Year.
bye
Bye
bye.
bye.
Happy New Year. Did we get in? I don't know if we got in.